Hello everyone. Today I'm going to do a quick review of the Paradise Garden Plant-Based Cookbook 1 by Maria Tarnov-Wydro. Now she has several books, cookbooks and other books available on Amazon. As we open it up we see it's full color. There she is, and the table of contents will tell us a lot here. It says welcome and then why a plant-based diet and a guide to vegan meat and dairy substitutes. So that's a good thing. Cooking with herbs and spices from around the world, and I can see by looking here that there's recipes from Bulgaria, from Greece, from Asia, from Russia, Persia, Mexico, Japan, my goodness, France. Oh, there's some Passover things in here as well. Some special holiday treats and holiday recipes. And we have vegan dessert favorites, entrees, and salads from around the world. We'll just take a quick look through here. As you can see, it's full color. Lots of nice pictures. Very easy to read recipes. There's a lot of tips in here about cooking, how to bring the spices out, the real flavor of the spices out. There's different sauces and dips from around the world. They're into categories like breads and baked goods from around the world. And then there's soups from around the world, salads from around the world, entree recipes from around the world, rice, and of course everyone's favorite, the vegan dessert favorites from around the world. And that's a quick look at the Paradise Garden Plant-Based Cookbook 1 by Maria Tarnov-Wydro.